Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we're going to talk about Xbox error code 0x0000000002000000. The error reads, "We're not sure what's wrong." To see if there's more info about this problem online, visit xbox.com/xbox1/networkerror. As per the research, the error comes when users try to connect their Xbox to the internet. Some users have shared that their console gets stuck during setup and cannot find any network signal. According to our research, this error is likely caused by network connectivity issues or something blocking the console from accessing the internet. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your Xbox console along with your internet router. Once both devices are restarted, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try connecting your console using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, and see if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then go to the main Xbox menu and press Start. Then navigate to Settings, then go to Network Settings. From there, select Advanced Settings, then select Alternative MAC address and choose Clear. After that, restart your console and check if the error still comes. If the error still continues, try testing your network by connecting the Xbox to a mobile hotspot and see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then contact Xbox support and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.